Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up Zendesk voice of the customer surveys. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to zendesk.com and you'll be greeted by their main page, of course. Then you just need to go log into your profile. If guys you do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here, as you can see, we have the Get Started, where you can go and see your account, the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, and all of those things like that. Also, we have everything about your tickets. So we have your unsolved tickets, the pending tickets, recently solved tickets. You can, of course, click on one ticket and edit it, merge it, mark it as spam, or even if you want, you can delete it. Also here, we have everything about your customers. So all their names, mails, which you can of course change if you want, or you can go and add a new customer if that's what you want. Here also we have the view profile where you can see everything about your profile. We have the product updates, the get help, the get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, get feedback, about, privacy policy, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to set up Zendesk voice of the customer service. So there are a couple of ways to do this. You can interview customers. Customer interviews are one technique you can use to gather VOC data. You can survey customers. You can pay attention to social media. You can listen to record customer calls, mention customer reviews, measure your net promote score, etc. etc. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll guys be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.